Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Nur Mohammad Khan, Senior Lecturer, Department of Microbiology and Microbiology, Bashundhara Ad-din Medical College. Today I am going to discuss about the basic structure of the virus as well as its replication and pathogenesis. Now, the definition of virus. Virus is an acellular infectious particle having only one type of nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, and it composed of outer protein coat which surround this nucleic acid, and usually virus is not seen by light microscopy. It is submicroscopic, and electron microscopy is used to see the virus. Now, the size of the virus usually it ranges from 20 nanometer to 300 nanometer. Now, the basic difference between the virus and the prokaryotic as well as the eukaryotic cell, it only contain either DNA or RNA as the nucleic acid, but the cell such as prokaryotic or eukaryotic cell contain both nucleic acid and the presence of the outer membrane such as cell membrane. It is absent in the virus and present into the prokaryotic or eukaryotic cell. And the machinery for the protein synthesis such as ribosome as well as other organelle, cytoplasmic organelle such as mitochondria is absent into the virus, whether the eukaryotic cell the mitochondria and ribosome present, and in prokaryotic cell mitochondria is absent, but the protein synthesis can be done as the ribosome is present in the prokaryotic cell. So, the virus we can say that it is the transition between the matter and the living form, As the matter there is no life, no nucleic acid, and virus only having the infectious particle, that is the nucleic acid, and some machinery to there is no machinery to synthesize their protein, and the prokaryotic cell which contain ribosome, but there is no mitochondria. So, we can say it is a transitional state between the matter and life. Next, if we compare the virus and bacteria, as already said, the size is the basic size is a difference between the virus and bacteria. Bacteria is always above 300 nanometer and virus below 300 nanometer, and some bacteria may be obligate intercellular, but virus is always obligate intercellular, as it has got no protein synthesis aperture, that is ribosome. And other difference, that is bacteria can be seen by the light microscopy, whereas virus cannot accept the largest virus, that is pox. Then the basic structure of virus. The basic structure of virus, as virus composed of either nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, and then outer protein coat which is called the capsid, and the subunit of this capsid, is called capsomers. And other than capsid, there may be another lipoprotein outside the capsid. It is called the envelope protein. Now, the capsid and nucleic acid which makes the nucleocapsid, and viral envelope lies outer this nucleocapsid. The arrangement of nucleocapsid gives the shape of the virus. If there are two types of arrangement in the virus, one is helical and another one is icosahedral. And what is helical and what is icosahedral? Helical means the capsomere arranged around a halo, and the icosahedral means there is 20 triangle geometric faces which makes this icosahedral form. Now, the virions, it only consists of the single molecule of RNA, but it has got no it has it has no protein coat outer this nucleic acid and it cannot produce any disease to human. Now, the defective virus, that defective virus is called the virus which cannot replicate itself and have to complete its replication with the help of the other virus, such as the hepatitis delta virus. It cannot replicate itself, but with the help of hepatitis B virus it can produce hepatitis. Now, the pseudovirus which contain host cell DNA instead of viral DNA itself. During the replication, viral replication, host DNA may be incorporated into the genome of the virus, and this may replace the viral genome, and this pseudovirion can infect the human, but cannot produce any disease. And last of all and most important, the prion. It is an entirely an protein, there is no nucleic acid, and there is this protein is very much notorious as it is very much heat resistant particle, and with and it can produce disease such as scorpion, sheep, and Kuru and Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease in humans, and as well as into the bovine spongiform encephalitis in the cow. It is called mad cow disease, and in prion we cannot find any type of inflammatory reaction or antibody, and as well as any type of inflammatory reaction, as this prion protein is the host derived protein. Now, the comparison between the conventional virus and prion, that is virus contain both nucleic acid and the nucleic acid, and in the other hand prion only contain the protein particle, there is no nucleic acid, and in electron microscope prion appears as filamentous rod shape, whether conventional virus is icosahedral or helical shape. Now, the classification of virus. Depending on the types of nucleic acid, we can divide virus into DNA virus and RNA virus. DNA virus, that is contain the deoxyribonucleic acid, and RNA virus which contain the ribonucleic acid. Now, this virus may have lipoprotein envelope or not. So, depending on that, we can call the virus which have envelope, that they are enveloped virus, such as in case of DNA, Hepatina, herpes family, pox family viruses, and non-enveloped virus in case of DNA virus, such as parvovirus, adenovirus, polyomavirus, papillomavirus family. Now, as well as DNA virus, there is enveloped RNA virus and non-enveloped RNA virus. Enveloped RNA virus such as dengue virus, hepatitis C virus, dengue virus, yellow fever virus, rubella virus, rabies virus, and RNA non-enveloped virus such as polio virus, hepatitis A virus, hepatitis E virus. So, that is it for today, and the viral application and pathogenesis will be discussed into the following sessions. Thank you all.